Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn the animals and bird names and sounds through images. Hey, look at this board. Let's start learning. Wow. Whoa! Wow! Look at that! Hey, it's a cow. It makes a sound like moo moo. Hey, it's sheep. It makes sounds like ba ba ba. Ba ba. Horses are magnificent domesticated mammals. Wow, really? Yes, they make sounds like neigh, neigh. That's so cool. Hey, look at this. Hey, it's a duck. Ducks make a wide variety of sounds from the classic nasal quack, quack. Wow, it's perfect. Hey, look at this. It's a goat, and it goes ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Yay, let's clap. Clap, clap, hooray. This is so fun. Yay, friends. Hey, look at this. Hey, it's a hen, and it makes sounds like cluck, cluck, cluck. Wow, that's so cool. Hey, look at this! It's a cat! And making sound like meow, meow, meow! Hey, it's a buffalo! It makes a sound like grunt, grunt, grunt! That's funny! We will meet again! Yes, we will meet again! We will meet again! Hello, friends! How are you? Today we are going to learn colors and fruit names. Let's play! Yay, fun! I'm coming! Me too! Look! Let's find what's inside! Wow, so many colors! Inside! Yeah, what's in there? Firstly, it's my turn! Hey, it's an apple! It is red in color. Good for our health. Wow, look at all the blue balls. So many, let's play. Blue balls, let's get them. Whoa, they're splashing. So fun. More balls. Look, blueberries. Wow, more inside. Cool, let's find them. It's berries in blue color. Now I'm finding what's inside the green balls. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, what is it? Guavas are a nutritional powerhouse for kids. They pack up to 5 times more vitamin C than oranges to boost immunity, plus dietary fiber for healthy digestion. Hey, now I will check inside the color balls. Yeah, let's see. Wow, so many colors. My banana. It's so yummy. Wow. Bananas provide kids with easily digestible, quick energy to fuel active play without sugar crashes. Let's play with the balls! Yay, fun! So many balls! Wee, bounce! Here they come! Grapes and oranges are great for kids! Really? How? Tell us! Grapes give you long-lasting energy and antioxidants for your brain, and fiber for good digestion. Wow, so many fruits! Let's share them all! Yummy, I love fruit. Me too. Let's carry the fruit box into the kitchen. Okay, let's go. Yay, teamwork. Let's put it here. There. I'll cut the fruits for us. Yay, I love apples. And oranges. Yummy. Yummy, let's eat. Yeah, fruits are the best. So juicy. More. Yummy. We will meet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Hey, where did Bingo go? How did he disappear all of a sudden? Come on, friends, let's find Bingo. Where is Bingo? I don't know. Let's find him. He was here. Hey, friends, there's something here. Let's take a look. It looks like some kind of fruit.
It's not a fruit, it's a ball. And it is in red color.
Oh, a red ball. Look at this. It's so pretty.
Wow! It's a beautiful flower. And it is in yellow color. Wow, look at these!
What are they?
Let's see!
So cool. This is a leaf.
A leaf?
Yes, and it's green. Wow, green.
Huh? What's that?
I don't know. It's so strange. I'm so confused. Look at my umbrella. It's blue, just like me.
Hey, look at this!
Looks colorful.
This is the kite, and it is in purple color. Friends, come fast! We have to find Bingo! Friends, come this side! I'm listening to some voices. Wow, look!
It's a fishy!
Yay, we found it!
It's orange, and it's a fish. Hey friends, look here at the colorful rainbow bush. And look at the footprints. I think it looks like Bingo.
We find the bingo. Let's meet for another adventure.
Let's go, everyone! Yay, this is fun!
I love walking with friends.
Me too!
Today we are going to learn the numbers through the football game by kicking into the numbered goals. Where is the football?
Okay, I'll check this one. I'll look over here. It's falling! Wow, bounce!
Yay, we got the ball! Let's play!
Yes!
It's number 1.
Here I go!
Wow, great kick! Whee, go ball, go! It's number 2. Wow, kick it hard, Cal!
Yeah, soccer ball!
Woo!
It's number 3. It's number 4. It's number 5. It's number 6.
He shoots and he scores.
It's number 7. It's number 8. It's number 9. It's number 10.
Goodbye, everyone! See you again! Bye!
Hi, Hi friends, how are you today? We are going to the animal farm and learn animal and fruit names.
Yay, let's go! Sounds fun!
Let's go! Let's go inside the farm!
Yay, let's go!
Okay, friends,
I'm ready!
look at the barn! Wow, and the animals! Hi, children! I'm McDonald's. This is my farm.
Let's go and feed the animals. Yay!
Let's go! Animals!
This way.
What a beautiful day!
It is. Let's explore.
Yay! This is so much fun!
Children, this is a cow. It gives us milk.
It's Apple. Here you go, cow. She's so happy.
Yes, she is.
Apple is so yummy and tasty. Moo!
That's right.
It's sheep, and it gives us wool.
It's watermelon. Look.
Here you go, sheep. Have some watermelon.
Yummy, thank you.
They love it.
More, please.
Watermelon is so tasty and delicious.
Baba!
It's my horse. It runs so fast. Look, grapes. These are my grapes. They're yummy.
Here you go, horsey. Thank you.
He likes them.
More?
Grapes have a juicy, refreshing taste that is a balance of sweet and tart.
Really? That sounds wonderful.
It's a duck.
Wow! Look at this amazing mango I grew right here on the farm.
Wow, this is so good! It tastes yummy!
Look, this is an orange.
Look at all the animals here.
This all are goats.
Oranges are delicious and it yummy! May, May!
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Wow, friends, we have chickens here.
It's strawberry.
Wow, guys, we got strawberries here, and they look very tasty and sweet.
Bye, everyone!
See you later.
Wow, an underground shark aquarium! Let's go, hurry!
I can't wait to see the sharks. Sharks are so cool. Kiki, let's go.
We're almost there!
Wow, look, the shark aquarium. So many sharks, let's go. Run. I can't wait to see. Kiki, the sharks are so cool.
This is going to be fun!
Wow, they have letters.
Whoa! Look at that!
Wow, that's amazing. Oh my gosh.
I can't believe it!
So cool. It's A. The A alphabet A. Wow, a shark with A.
It's B. Letter B.
Ooh, look, a C. Hi, Mr. Sea Shark. Hello, little friend.
Wow, look at you go!
Keep swimming.
Look, the letter E. E says E.
Great job, shark.
Wow, look at all the fish!
This is so cool. I love this tunnel.
Me too, so many colors!
Look, it's the letter F. F is for friendly shark. G, it's a G. G for shark.
It's letter H.
It's the letter I. I for ice cream. Wow!
Look, the shark has the letter J.
Wow, it's so fast. So cool.
Wow, guys, it's a K shark.
Look at that, it's the letter L. L is for a very lucky shark.
That is right, it is the letter L.
All right. Goodbye, everyone. See you again. Bye.
Ready to play? Yes, kick it to me. Here it comes. Got it, my turn. Nice one. Pass back. Okay, here.
Look, a monkey.
And it's holding a map.
Hi, want to find treasure?
Yes, let's see the map. Where is the treasure?
Hi, guys. What's going on? We're looking at a treasure map.
It shows where the treasure is. We're going on an adventure.
Wow, can I join?
Look, the treasure map. An adventure, let's go. We follow the path. I see the big tree. The treasure is close. Okay, everyone, let's go. Adventure time. Ready, I'll walk with you. Yay, let's find the treasure. This is going to be fun. Yay, it's a bicycle. Yay, it's a bicycle. Yay, it's a bicycle. Yay, it's a bicycle. Bicycle, bicycle. Let's go find the treasure. Yeah, follow the map. This way, everyone. I'm ready.
Yay, it's a motorcycle.
Wow, so cool. Shiny. It's shiny. Let's go for a ride. It looks so fast. I want to ride it.
Hold on tight, Panda! We're going fast!
Whee! This is so much fun.
Look at the trees go by! Adventure ahead, faster! Yay, it's a car!
Car. Yay, it's a car. Yay, car. It's a car. Yay.
Look, the Explorer bus is here.
Yay, let's go. To the bus, everyone.
I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's go.
All aboard for the adventure.
Wow, the bus is going so fast.
This is fun.
Yeah, look at the trees go by.
Zoom, zoom, faster!
I love this ride.
Hold on tight, everyone!
It's a truck.
Wow, a big truck. It's a truck.
Let's go see.
Yes, let's go.
Look, everyone, the train.
Wow, it's a steam train!
It's making sounds, Cha-Cha. I can hear it puffing.
Yay, it's getting closer.
Chugga chugga! Hello, friends! Look, everyone, a helicopter!
It's rolling on the sky.
Wow, it's so high up. It's flying over the trees. It's so fast.
Bye, everyone! See you next time!
Bye. Have a great day. Bye. Come play with us again.
Goodbye, friends! Follow the map!
Bye.